Shane Hummus gets another D again. He tells you about one client, Carla, 3 times in this video. First, your contract is worth $100,000, then $16,000, then $106,000. Same client, same contract, same video. There's 8 problems inside this video here that Mr. Shane is talking about. We'll go ahead and let it run a little bit, and then I'll get back into the audit.
And I already know what's going on in your head right now. This is bull. Another guy on YouTube telling me that it's easy to do. But just shut up and listen for a second, because this is not.
Okay, that's a great thing. Let's tell your viewers to shut up. That's positive.
Not going to be like any other video you've watched.
Yes, it is, Shane. It's like every other video you ever make, and every other YouTube guru trying to say you can make money off of YouTube right away.
Reason most creators never hit $100,000 a year has nothing to do with talent, has nothing to do with the algorithm, and it has nothing to do with how many times you post. It's really because they're playing the wrong game, and that's because they've never seen the math and they don't understand the right strategy. Nobody's ever pulled up a whiteboard and shown them what the whole damn machine looks like. So that's exactly what I'm going to do today, as somebody who easily got my channel to 6 figures a year, and then I've done it again and again with other channels. I'm going to be reverse engineering $100,000 a year right in front of you, every number, every conversion rate, every step of the funnel, and you're going to steal the whole thing.
Yeah, you're going to steal the whole thing. There it is in a nutshell. Copy a channel that's making 100,000 a year, and good luck. So we're going to get back into it, okay? I'll give them credit where credit's due. The model is real. Niche education content, a free lead magnet, an email list, a call, high ticket sales. That's a working business. People run it all day long, every day. So that's no surprise there. He makes no fake timeline promises in this one, which is one of the very few ones that he does that. So I give him credit. He never says in 30 days, and I'll give him that. So, like I said, I'll give credit where credit's due. I'm not going to just, give all the BS and stuff, but, he still gets a D. I graded this man different once. This isn't, it's the same process, just another video. Okay. So a minute 19 into the video, Carla closed a $100,000 contract off a channel with 1,500 subscribers. Okay. 6 minutes and 39 seconds into it, same story, and now it's $16,000 amount. So he's flopping around again. 90 seconds after that, it's $106,000 again. So you can kind of understand, if you're going to back up something, don't be given 3 different values in your video. Okay. 3 numbers for one deal inside 6 minutes without a whiteboard up. So, remember he said something about a whiteboard. That didn't happen. The case study, his entire video rests on it, okay? It's the proof that you don't need views, and he can't hold a figure steady through enough to finish the segment. So you need views. It doesn't work any other way on YouTube. You're not going to get anywhere without views, okay? Okay, let's see. Let me kind of go back down here. Let me look more in my notes. Okay, the math he wants you to steal. This is a good one here. This is a good part. The whole model, 1,000 views gets you 30 clicks. 30 clicks gets you 10 leads. 10 leads gets you 1 sale at a $5,000 mark. So $5,000 per 1,000 view. What he does in each step, he says aim to 10 to 30 clicks per 1,000 views. Then plugs in 30 to top. All over the place again. He says aim for about 30% opt-in, then plugs in 30%. He says close at least 10%, then plugs in 10%. Oh yeah, he's adding these numbers in, that's right. He's took his own best case 3 times in a row and called the output the math, which is full of it. Okay, here's the numbers that pretty much kill his whole concept, okay? Earlier in the same video, he says his real clients actually get, when he measures them, as 1 to 3 clicks per 1,000 views. His words, he called it bad, okay? So he has the real data, and his real data is 10 to 30 times below the number he built in the model. Okay, there we go. There's the problem. Run the funnel at his own measured 1,000 views, 1 click, 0.3 leads, 0.3 sales. That's $150 per 1,000 view, not the 5,000 he's claiming. And at his generous end, 3 clicks, it's $450 per 1,000 view. So here's the good one. So to hit his 6 figures a month in his title, you need somewhere between, this is the good one, listen to this, 222,000 and 667,000 views per month. On a strategy he sold, you have fewer views than you think. Yeah. You think you're going to get that? How long is it going to take? That's going to take years. Okay. Let me just, okay. So his $4,000 per 1,000 views is borrowed. He says the second channel makes about $4,000 per 1,000 views. He also says it out loud. The channel you're watching has 1.5 million subscribers. Yeah, no kidding. That's where he's making his money. Channel 2 at the beginning, fed by one. You don't have a channel. You have one. So he's given the other channel from this channel. So of course you're going to get those type of numbers when you have that many followers, which I don't understand why, because 99% of the stuff this guy says is just crap. Okay. Okay. So he revises his own test mid data sentence. He says he's done a lot of math and testing, and winners click come from 60% description, 30% QR code, 10% pinned comment. No, wait, probably more like 25 and 15. He can't hold it for one sentence. Which one is it, Shane? Starbucks, this one, $14,000. He says different sources say different things. Then states $14,000 lifetime value as a fact and moves on. At $5 a coffee, that's 2,800 visits. He says that he names no source. So he's not backing anything up. Okay. I'm not going to keep going. I mean, this one, you can watch the video. He gets a D. The concept is there. Again, it's just very risky. He's giving you misleading information again. You know, when a man can't keep one client contract straight across 6 minutes, you don't need to check the rest of the math. But I did anyways. And he's basically telling you all the wrong misinformation. The concept is good. Again, how he's trying to get you to do it and what he's telling you can accomplish in a certain amount of time just isn't there. All right. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to the next video. Have a good one.